Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I will be introducing you to SheModern's Pixie Iridescent Dazzling Sparkle. And here you can see how it comes in the package, just like you've seen the other types of glitters. So this one comes, you may choose you have the choice of choosing a package with two others of any other, a combination of any other of their glitters or powders, or you may choose, they do have a package where they have all three containers are the Pixie Sparkle powder or glitter. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the package and show you, and we're going to talk more about how this sparkle powder is different from the others. So here is a close-up look of the bottle, and here you can see the name. So it's Pixie Iridescent Dazzling Sparkle. So it's a sparkle glitter, and let me show you what these look like, and I give you. So if you were to, wow, I don't know that you are catching this on the screen, but it's a super, I mean, you can even feel this, super sparkly. It has no, this is, yeah, look at the, I don't know if you can see the shimmer. Let me try to turn this around. And this is something that you will go about mixing with any top coat and then include it in your art, either to color in the foils, such as like foils like this, any nail art foils, or you may mix it with your top coat to do a full coverage of your nails for your nail art. Okay, so yes, this is a different type of shimmer that SheModern just came out with, and I am going to do a nail art using this today, the sparkling powder or glitter, and I believe I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and incorporate my two new colors. This is the holographic black sparkle, this is the sparkle glitter, black hollow iridescent sparkling glitter that came with that package. Check it out. And then this one is the neon orange that is new, that came in that package. I want to incorporate that along with these black nail art foils, and I'm looking at this shimmer on my finger, and I can see this is, I mean, it's like you do not feel them at all. They almost just look like silver glitter in there. But okay, so let's go ahead and start to get this started, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead, this is another idea that came from Tina from SheModern, was to use foil glue as a temporary base for gel manicures. That's right. So, and this is supposed to last a little longer than a gel manicure would normally last with an easy peel base coat such as ONT or even the latex that I use. So this is the first time that I'm going to use this, and we're going to put it to test and see. Well, I'll find out, but then I am interested to find out how easy it will be to peel it off. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, so here is the completed manicure. What do you guys think? Check it out. You see the sparkle added to these two nails, and it almost looks like the same kind of shimmer that is already mixed in with these neon powders. Check it out. See that? I mean, it almost looks like yes, so these were sample colors that I've had for quite some time now, and I couldn't resist but to use them when I saw that the color almost matched perfectly the same color as these neon powders. But check it out, it almost looks like I just went straight with the neon powder, the pink neon powder here and the orange neon powder. Yes, and I'm loving this hollow, black hollow. Check it out, that is so cool. I don't know what took me so long to get that black hollow, but check them out guys. And yes, I used the regular foils and I applied a little too much pressure on this first one when I applied it. On these, if you're using your gels, you do not need to apply much pressure. Just peel them right up, and see, I did much better on the others. So I would like to thank SheModern for sending me these beautiful powders, this brand new Pixie powder to play with and review. If you guys have any questions about this, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.